Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there is an issue with your payment method, update your payment method information. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that there's an issue with your payment method on your iPhone or iPad, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So now to fix that issue, you have to update your payment method. So let's see how can you update your payment method. The very first is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go for settings and go for general, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back and go for a software update. If you have any pending software update, try to update the software. Then go back, tab on your Apple ID here, tap on payment and shipping option, and here you will find your payment method. Very first you have to delete your previous payment method. And once you have deleted your previous payment method, you just have to go back, open your app store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, and here you just have to tap on your Apple ID. Just tap on your Apple ID here, and here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, tap on sign in option here, and just wait for some moments. And then your Apple ID will be signed in here. You just have to wait for this loading, and then select the option of country or region, and from here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. For example, I'm going to select this one from here. Once you have selected, tap on this continue option here, and now just tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method. You can re-add your previous payment method here, or you can add a new one if you have. And once you have added your payment method, you have to also correctly enter your billing address, your phone number, and also your name. And after all, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your payment method will be successfully updated. Enter your Apple ID, and after that you will not get the issue again. Or if in some cases your issue is still not fixed, you just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select your iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, select update payment method, and here scroll down, look for the option of get more help. Tap on call us. Now you will find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.